Hello friends, this is my winter tour of my little garden. These are petunias, pansies and dog flowers and some very beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are looking very beautiful. These are gazanias. These are Sananaria. Very beautiful, looking very beautiful. The color of flower is very beautiful, and I put lot of fertilizer in my garden so that grass can be back in its rich green color. This is methi, freshly cut by me. This is also methi. This is dhania seeds. This is palak, freshly cut by me. This is calendula. Calendula flowers are also looking very beautiful. This is dhania. Coleus is looking very beautiful. These coleus plants are cut by me and made by me. Rose flowers are looking very beautiful. So this is a little winter tour of my garden, which is looking very beautiful today. These red flowers are looking very beautiful. Friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can got lot of views from all of you. Thank you.